Hello friends. So yesterday we had the introduction, that is of honor and reputation. So now we will begin sentence 1. The winning of honor is but the revealing of a man's virtue and worth, means value, without disadvantage. Disadvantage means without losing your capacity or your reputation or your goodwill. That is, the winning of honor is but the revealing of a man's virtue and worth without disadvantage, without any minus points, so we can say. A very good example I will give you of Mother Teresa. So she won worldwide honor and reputation. She could travel by any airways without tickets. So there is an acceptance, isn't it? Or we have got the winning of honor is Mahatma Gandhi. Around the world and across the world, he is considered as a Mahatma, means great soul, because of his philosophy of non-violence. So that's very good example. 2 examples I have given. Now second sentence, for some in their actions do woo, W-W, means attract, and woo actually means to love. See, that is in wooing, W-W-I-N-G, in Shakespeare's comedies you will find. So I say, so here woo means he has got some love and effect, honor and reputation. Some people, they do great things, honorable things they do, but in the heart of heart they have the desire to get or to be honored by people, not nishkama karma. Just Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa, you can say nishkama karma. But in this case, no, they have got an axe to grind, they say. An axe to grind. They have a selfish motive. An axe to grind. That is, to have a selfish motive. Selfish motive. So that is it. The selfish motive for doing good things. For example, you give. You say that, okay, I will build a school and hand over to you, but you should write my name at the entrance. So that is reputation. He wants that his reputation, his name should last as long as the school lasts. This. We have seen, no? In memory of, even bus stops I have seen written, in memory of, to perpetuate the memory of so and so. So that is doing something great. For some in their actions, that action, do woo and affect honor. Affect honor means they desire honor and reputation. This sort of men are commonly much talked of. So such people, when they say, he has built this school and handed over to some agency. Or he has hospitals, for example, 3-4 rooms in his name. I have seen private hospitals. When you go, you will find this is memory of so and so, memory of that person, memory of C, memory of D, like that. So that is, they have done a good action, but they want some reputation. This sort of men are commonly much talked of. Oh, he has done it. Oh, this is. We never thought that is there. They talk of, but inwardly little admire. In the heart of our people, he has done it for publicity. Once, that is the thing. You do great good action, but with an axe to grind. And there are some contrariwise. So nevertheless, we say nowadays, and some nevertheless darken their virtue in the show of it. Oh, that is 100 degree. Suppose you want to give, say 1,000 rupees by way of scholarship. What will you do is that first you will inform the press, then the people in the village or the town, some people, some important persons will be chief guests, and this 1,000 rupees will be handed over to the one who is the beneficiary service. Probably for handing over 1,000 rupees by way of scholarship, you must have spent 10,000 rupees, publicity and so on. Therefore, what happens? Your action is darkened. It is like dropping a few kerosene oil, drops of kerosene oil in a very sweet porridge. And then what will happen there? So that's what is darkened. Publicity, just for the sake of publicity, no other thing. Second type is there is some selfishness. This one is blatantly desires publicity. So they darken their action, show off it. So as he is undervalued in opinion. So people will say, rating will go down. Check, 1,000 rupees and he is spending 10,000 rupees as expenses. Oh, this is very bad. So you do, this is what is said. The beginning in the first line is again, first sentence you can see. The winning of honor is but the revealing of a man's virtue and worth without disadvantage. These are disadvantages. And that is, first one is, you are losing something. First one, you are selfish. So people inwardly little admire. So that is a disadvantage. The other is darken. That is also a disadvantage. If a man perform that which has not been performed before, or attempted and given over, something new. That is, if a man perform that which has not been performed before, that means a new project. Attempted and given over. Suppose halfway through, somebody left it and went away, halfway through. Or had been achieved but not with so good circumstances. Or it has been almost complete but it looks very, not very, beautiful. Somehow he has managed to complete it. So three things. First, attempt something new. Second, take over something which has been attempted and left abandoned by somebody. Third is completed but not so well. That is third position. If you take up such a work, not work person, he shall purchase more honor. He shall get more honor. That is the thing. So if you want to get more honor, what should you do? First thing is that you should start something new. Nobody has ever started. Second is, somebody was doing it, but halfway through he left it. Third is, somebody was doing it and they did it also, but not in a good way. So I will give you an example. In my place, there was somebody started a project, 1 meal a day. That is something new. So everybody appreciated it. Then what happened is that, after some time he left it. He went away. Another person took it up. So he continued it. And after some day what happened? He also left it and another person continued. So that means that project is completed for some time, but it's not in goodwill. So another person took it. Then what will happen is, that person will be more honored. Understand? Or just think of like this. You build, let's say what is it? You build a memorial for war heroes. That is something new. In your place, in your village, you made a memorial for war heroes. So he will be honored. Understand? Or another project. Somebody thought of starting a school in a village. Halfway through he left it. Another person takes up and completes it. He will be more honored. Or you find somebody built a theatre, but no proper sound system and so on. So not properly done. You take it up and complete it. Then you will be more honored. So 3 situations where you will be more honored. 1, starting new. 2, completing something. 3, doing the final touches. Or completing the project in the most desirable way. As I told you about theatre, the all modern amenities and gadgets and so on. Such men, they should be given greater honor. That's what the Bacon says. And then continues, shall purchase more honor than by effecting a matter of greater difficulty or virtue wherein he is but a follower. That is, than supporting a person to do something which is more difficult. But then when you are supporting or you are second, you are only a follower. That will not attract greater honor. If you remain a follower, that will not attract a greater honor. Listen. See, for example, somebody is building a dam across a river, very important. You can generate electricity, you can irrigate land and so on. And then you find that it's a good project, I will also join this. You are only joining second hand. You are the second person. So that will not affect or that will not make you great or enhance or increase your reputation. Listen, so 4 situations here. 1, start something new, greater honor. 2, complete something which has been abandoned, greater honor. 3, give the final touches or beautifying something to something that has not been properly finished, greater honor. But if you follow somebody and then support a person, that will not attract greater honor because you are only a follower. Okay, different says. If a man so temper his actions, as in some of them, he doth content every faction and combination of people. Satisfy, content means satisfy. Suppose your actions are such that you can satisfy all combinations of people, then the music will be fuller. Music will be fuller means your honor and reputation will be 100%. A classic example is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, unification of India. So there are so many native kings and rulers and so crisscross you can say. Then what happened is that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he with his tact, diplomacy, the way to approach people, different ways, to some force, some love, some friendship, some intimidation and all those things. Anyhow, somehow he balanced everything, temper with it. He tempered his actions. So he used his genius, his brain in such a way that at the end what happened? So thus India was unified. We have the great Indian Republic. But the one man who worked behind this was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Therefore what happens? The music will be fuller. Music will be fuller there means your honor, the honor that you get will be 101%. That's what happened to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You understand, no? So about honor, all the different ideas about honor. What is honor and reputation? Proving your immense virtue and work without disadvantage. That's the point. Without disadvantage means there should be no selfish interest, there should be no propaganda, publicity. See? It will be as a nishkama karma. Then who will be given the greatest honor? Man who starts something new, the man who completes something that has been left out, and the man who you can say beautifully completes something that has been completed in a rough way. See, such men are great. If a person plays the second fiddle, even if the project is very great, his fame will not be as great as the fame and the honor and the reputation of those three classes of men which we have already said. Another is the music will be full. That is, honor, reputation, good name, etc. will be full. If you can manage to satisfy all people, make all people happy, all combinations of people. Such is the example that I have given of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Unity statue. Now we are looking at that and thinking of unification of India. India, the great country, our great country. Hope that you have been following. We will continue this, but before that, keep distance to keep corona away. Alright. So see you. Have a nice day.